Hey guys, real quick, little kind of a reminder video about some maintenance or lack thereof. You know, I've been pretty busy, but I'm also lazy and I don't like hot weather. I don't like being out in it unless I'm at my son's baseball game or unless I'm getting paid to be at it. You know what I mean? So basically, here's the deal. Let me flip this around. So one of my batteries, this battery goes to this pressure washer, this battery goes to that one. They're coming up on 2 years old. This one is anyway. I just bought this one yesterday. This one died and I'm not gonna mess with trying to charge it and hoping it works. Their thing was $97 with tax, everything out the door at Sam's Club. It's a 24 series deep cycle marine, and I've got my heater. I've got one heater and one pressure washer hooked to each battery. So that's how I've got them wired up. They had corrosion all over them, and I was starting to have some starting issues with them, and it's not good. It can cause you problems out in the field. So I know there's several companies that make this kind of stuff. This is CRC brand. This is battery cleaner. This is like, it'll foam and fizz and everything, and it'll eat corrosion off and clean it up real good. And this is battery terminal protector. After you clean it, and you want to get one of these, I shouldn't have put the lid back on, but basically it's got these, it's like a wire brush, and you set it down on top of here and clean them real good. You spin it around and it'll clean it. Scrubs the heck out of them, and then you can pop this lid off and it's just got a straight bristle brush with bristles on the outside, and you can scrub off your lugs and everything, knock all the corrosion and crud off of them. You can get these at any auto parts store. They have them. They're probably $5 if that, but you want to get some battery cleaner and some battery terminal protector. The protector is the red stuff that you're seeing on here right now. And what that does is help prevent corrosion, and it can save you a big headache, man. You don't want to be doing this in a customer's driveway. It sucks, it's time consuming, and it's embarrassing. So just get out there and maintain your stuff, man. And y'all hold me to that too. Hold me accountable, because like I said, I'm lazy, real lazy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all stay tuned. I got a lot more to come. If you're feeling crazy, go ahead and click that subscribe button over there if you're feeling real crazy. All right, thanks for watching.